Guys, I know I just already posted a video, but I just got into a lobby with Cat.
Alright, thank you.
I mean, she's like right over there. Look at that.
He's gonna put stuff in the box. Dragonfly, me Blinky.
Oh, Blinky, shoot. Blinky, why are you following me? But guys, that's Blinky, my friend. Look, dude, it's Cat. Like, I got into a lobby with Cat.
I tagged them. Dragon, I tagged them.
Alright, Blinky. Comment, I want you to comment your username on this video so I can friend you. No, I'm just gonna put you in the thumbnail, just for funsies.
Yay.
Alright, you're in the thumbnail now.
Alright.
But, yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys some more gameplay.
Eat him. Eat him.
Let's go!
Wizzy, but I had to, Wizzy. Wizzy, but I had to.
We have about 45 minutes left on the alpha, so I'm just, you know,
So, Cat.
gonna be playing until it's over.
I'm
Dude, is Cat, do you have a mic?
Oh, wait, Cat, how much podcast do I get? Send him on Nitro.
Oh wait, he's still alive?
I'm a...
What?
Alright.
Got him.
Hi, Cat.
Hi, Cat.
One hand in the air if you remember me from the first lobby.
Dude, oh please put me in the same lobby as Cat.
Who made that noise, man?
No! Dang it. Okay. Let's just get back in the portal.
The nacho portal. And I didn't let you download.
What do we do?
Alright.
What do we do? Hey, we're getting zombies.
Hey, hi, Floors.
I literally just came from watching your video.
Dude, I'm about to post another one. It's actually recording right now. Dude, we ran into cats.
We're good. Yeah, we met Cat like I think 2 times.
That's meant like basically everyone.
This is Floors. He was like one of the first people to comment and watch my first Chicken Dead video, so.
There's gonna be scary zombies.
I'll be recording next time because I didn't. But I
The game started. The game started. I'm gonna
Alright, game's about to start.
Oh no, we're in.
This is gonna be a long video. I'm just gonna make the video until my Oculus dies or until the alpha is over. So get prepared for a long video.
I'm just here for the alien glasses.
Oh shoot.
French thing.
Hop on, bro. Hop on. We're gonna get that. Hop on, bro. Hop on, guys. Hop on my escape. We finally escaped. We finally escaped. I'm just trying to get alien glasses. Please.
I already got my alien glasses, like, so I'm guaranteed to get them when they actually like release in
Bro, I played like 20 matches.
early access. Oh my god, bro.
Dragon Claws. I played like 20 matches. Dude, help me!
I've lost count at this point.
Scared dude wants me.
Let's see.
Dude. Scared second dude! Help me! Scary second dude! Scary second dude! Scary second dude! Ah! Scary second dude! Ah! Oh, there is escape!
Yeah, he is climbing up that tower.
Dude.
Let me see what time it is.
Yeah.
It's 6:19, so about 40 minutes.
Scary second
I am
dude!
39%. Okay,
Scary
so
second! Scary!
I'll just plug in my VR in between games then.
Oh crap.
Actually, no, I don't think I'll do that.
I'm getting hit by scary second. Ah! Oh crap. What? I just
Why did I jump down?
Oh crap.
Where's the last item?
Scary second dude again. Leave me alone. Ah!
No, they got floors.
Scary chicken. Leave me alone.
Why did I have backstep enabled?
I'm sorry, but there's no.
Oh shoot.
Yo, I suck at sliding.
If I have to die, at least it'll be by floors.
You're making me exercise. Why does it say move? No, I'm scared. No, I'm scared.
No, I walked into that, didn't I?
I'm sorry, Dragon Ball. Did we win? That wasn't fair.
Don't look at my house, guys. I'm just trying to grab the charger for a foot.
You should admit I'm not good.
So I can plug my
You should admit I'm
thing in between games now.
OB, you should admit that I was good. You should admit that I was good.
Alright, let's see who's left. This blue guy.
I'm not even realized. I'm a scary chicken dude now.
Oh, it's Scraggy.
These are AI.
I played with Scraggy once or twice. So,
I thought this was AI. I thought the zombies were AI. That's why I was so scared.
bro, just cough on me. Okay, so let me just rush into.
Let's do this again. That was fun.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna get into the new game. Now I'm going to grab my charger. You guys can't see this. And I'm currently charging.
What's the guy today? I'm zombie.
I'll unplug it as soon as the new game
The
opens.
chicken's dead in the game. We're chickens running from scary chicken.
So I can't really turn my head or move right now.
We have to try to get items, bring them into a crate.
Oh, the game should start any second now. Yeah, it's charging.
What if we get in the goodie?
Okay, game starting. So I'm gonna rip that out and stand back up.
I'm scared.
Alright, where are these guys?
New name for the zombie, scary chicken dude.
Dude, what are those roars, dude?
Just hold and call them scary chicken dude. Scary chicken dude! Scary chicken dude! Scary chicken dude!
Hey, the dude with the walkie-talkie.
I can't find it.
You better put that walkie-talkie away.
I threw it away, I'm too scared. I threw it.
Purple, put it away! Purple, get it away! Wait, what are we still missing?
Bro, why did they just make I'm scared of Lego brick dude? Scary chicken dude scared me.
Yeah, why does it sound like the Lego bricks from the Lego game when you put something in? What are we missing?
I have a question. Wait, shouldn't the zombies be called scary chicken dudes?
Yeah,
Should they be called that?
I mean, they are scary chicken dudes.
It's a
but-
good name. Yeah, but
I'm gonna start running.
Scary.
I'm gonna get started on my tightrope.
What does our Vocaloid thing do? What does our Vocaloid drone thing do?
They give us power-ups.
Oh my scary chicken dude. Wait, how do we use the power-ups?
We grab the loco droid.
Then does it work?
It works. It just needs, and you need to have light blue bars. It costs one bar, one segment on your bar to use your power
I
up.
have super jump and max speed.
I have all 4 equipped.
I have max speed and super jump. I decided to. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to leave you. Super speed. Help me, super speed. I'm scared of a scary chicken dude. Scary chicken dude is scared. Super speed. I love you, Vocaloid Jordan.
What are we missing, bro?
No.
Come here!
Don't let them fall
You're
over.
mine! We win! I know what you Get him! Yuki!
Is it that one?
Why do cats and scary things
Oh.
scare me? Wait, how do we come to the early access thing?
Better find the correct lever.
It wasn't that one.
Sir, how do we equip the early access thing?
You don't equip it yet. You have to wait till it's early access. This isn't early access. This is alpha, not early access. Early access will be soon. I found the switch, guys.
Yeah, whatever.
I found the switch. Guard it with your lives. See how it's glowing? Guard it. Guard it, guys.
I see him.
Someone guard that. Exactly. Oh shoot.
Why is this like so soft?
There we go.
I'm serious. You ever took a dude? Ow!
Okay.
What is this? What's up with expensive?
Well, there you go. That's how you know what the switch looks like. It'll be like glowing green in
I
that
love this
area.
game.
Let's get back in.
One more round. Okay, see you later, guys. I love this.
We currently have 33 minutes left. I'm going to start charging.
I'm scared of scary chicken dude. Hey, aren't the scary chicken dudes scary? Aren't they scary?
Yeah, they're real scary.
I remember you, Straggy. I know they're not scary, like when they chase you. That's like it's scary to get chased.
Dude, I just recognize you whenever I hear someone talking about scary chicken.
Wait, no, I don't want to be in this game.
It's me. In Texas, the person who made up the name of Scary Chicken Dude. In Texas, made the name. I always name them.
Scary Chicken Dude.
Yeah.
Let me tell you what, I'm gonna put scary. I'm gonna put.
Give it a session that we should call the zombie.
I'm gonna. That's what I'm gonna make the title of my video. I'm gonna be like. I'm gonna make the title of my video. We met. I don't know. I'm gonna put scary chicken dude in there.
Was there Devin here? Clearly no.
Well, I'm getting chased by Scary Chicken Dude. Help.
We got chased by scary chicken dudes with cat in. Oh shoot.
Let's go deep in heal pack. I don't know.
I'm gonna come say hey.
I don't like Scary Chicken Dude.
Oh, I found it.
Oh no.
Hey, whoever just walked into my house, I'm recording a video, so like, just you know.
I'm happy to be here.
Sorry guys, someone just walked into my house, so I could tell them I was recording.
I'm getting here.
Dude, I just got tagged. I put 2 things in too. I could have swore. Dude, I've like, these guys, they'll see like on my screen, bro. I slashed you like 15 times. I know I say that a lot, but like, I actually did this time. We finally got guests. Let's see, we just had that yellow guy. He was up there. Last time I checked.
He's not even gonna try. No.
Why would I do backstep? Yeah, he was cornered. How did we not get him?
How did you? Yeah, how did you not tell me? What did you mean?
Oh, we still have 3 minutes left, so we're ready. We got him!
Yeah. Scrag. That was insane.
If you guys could hear the whispering, that was my mom. She was trying not to interrupt my video. Sorry about that. Alright, 29 minutes left of the alpha. I'm gonna plug in my headset. Where's my charger there? Dude, what?
Guys, how do you
Shoot,
win?
I'm-
Is there any Devin?
Missed my key.
Nothing happened.
I don't know why you guys saw
Why do I
it,
keep
but
on running into them about the damn heartbeat noise?
that was not supposed to happen, but yeah. You guys got to see
Hi, Blue.
what I was wearing
No.
and
Come here.
my living room, so
I need to
yay,
eat you.
I guess.
Guys, I found a can of beans.
You
I
found
mean,
a
it has corn on it, but I'm still. It's beans, okay? It's just
It's corn flavored beans.
How do I use my boost ability? Hey, how do I use my boost ability?
You grab the rope. Go.
Hi, Blue. No way. Server lag was crazy.
White, you might want to run.
Hey, Blue, put the beans down. Hi, White. Hey, Blue. Hey, how about you put the beans down and I'll get you? How about you put the beans down? Oh my god! That's a zombie! Put the beans down! Put the beans down!
I dropped the beans, bro. I already dropped the beans.
Where is he? Oh, okay. Family. I have a family.
Dude, that was like the scariest chase ever. Floor is about to fall, so let's just get my buddy Floor.
I ran to take a shot. Dude, all alone. Oh, that's not nice.
Yo, how do I use the boost ability? I'll take it. Someone tell me
Why is the robot so close to my face?
You'll be right.
Guys, how do you
Eat him alive.
Don't eat me alive. It's not nice.
Look at the hole.
There we go.
Red, you are not. Red, you are not.
Just have tabs. I don't want how do you tab people?
Heartbeat noise. It's so annoying.
Yeah, the heartbeat noise does get annoying.
Can you tell me how to
We got him.
How do I? Can someone tell me how to use the boost ability? It's the only one I have equipped, but it won't work.
Okay.
Put your head against the wall and do a little bit.
Alright, yeah.
take off my flip?
So, 26% left and 26 minutes left on the alpha.
Guys,
I'm just trying to.
are you guys ready for mayhem?
Dragon class. Why do we keep getting in the same lobby, bro?
Because we're friends, maybe they added that. Or because we just keep joining the portal at the same time. And that's how stream snipers do it, so.
Oh. Okay.
We need 5 more people. And I can't really move out of this
Also,
position.
guys,
Because I'm charging my
I would
headset
not
so I
suggest
can.
wall running because like wall running doesn't really help you. It's like kind of nerfed in this game.
Yeah, it really is.
I managed to get pretty good at like who's yelling and wall running in this game.
Like you just gotta like hold your arms out and then.
I managed to get pretty good at like who's yelling and wall
like
running
that.
in this
Doesn't
game.
work.
Like I managed to do that. Like I can Lucio a bit in this game.
I mean, you don't really even need the wall run.
Ooh, we
because
got a
you can
pink
already
one.
glide. Whee.
Yeah.
No, we just need 4 more people.
You get to locations too, God. That's why I do it. That's why I do
I'm
it.
gonna just forward real quick.
Like, could you not? I'm literally sitting on the floor with with my headset plugged in, waiting for the last 3 people to join.
This is the easiest way to forward.
At this point, just let the timer be finished.
Yeah. 30
Hey guys, we're full.
seconds.
Ooh, we got a yellow
I'm
one.
ready for cartage. What about you guys?
Guys, how do you tag people? Because no one's telling me.
You just slash.
You
Everyone's going
gotta
no
run
one
up
knows
to
that.
them and slash them with your hand.
Yeah, you have to do that. And exactly how I just run.
The hitboxes are really weird.
Yeah, no,
Run
there's
on my
such thing
computer,
as server
though.
lag. What you want to do is
Someone
you gotta
who's
try to
done
jump
what's
on them
covered,
like,
like,
and then slash them. That's the only way
Hey
to do it.
guys.
Because if you notice,
Alright, just unplug.
Round started just in time.
What right now?
I'm checking the usual spawn spots.
Oh,
Found 2.
wait for me. Oh, wait, I see. No, I don't really see it. Okay, I'm gonna copy him. What? Wait, who? Well, I hit the third.
And
Yo,
you
that
can,
you?
and you can.
Well, I'm not going to lose.
And you
again.
can
No, this time I'm not.
You right cancel.
Okay, I'm gonna hide right here. They won't even find
That's
me.
crazy. Where's that like generational murder?
No!
Oh, you got that?
I got the stuff. Where's the machine? No, where's the machine? Where's the machine?
I'm good.
I just tried to pinch.
Oh, let's see it.
Dude, no, bro. I got stuck. Oh, floors. You know, if I had to be tagged by someone, I would at least want it to be floors.
the gliding can be a bit annoying sometimes.
Oh, God, I see.
Like, oh, would you lucky what we have here.
Oh no! No!
What? What's behind you?
Don't eat me! Eat somebody else! Don't eat me! I don't want to die!
Dude, bro walked into that. We got 3 left.
Eat everyone in this lobby.
We got HJ, this yellow guy right here, Mr. Cheese.
3 chickens left.
Whoa, what the? Get here.
I got Mr. Cheese. I see the black and brown one.
I see green. Green's up
I know
here.
what black is. I know what black is.
Same.
I'm green.
Alright, I'm going for black.
I'm following green because green's
Nobody's
focused. And head zombie is too.
Get us!
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
first.
powerful. That's
Hi,
powerful.
green.
What is that? Guys, there's a black guy. The black guy come.
Yeah.
The black guy's on top of me. The black guy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say
Yo,
that.
who phrased it like that?
Purple guy.
Come here. Come on. I need
Oh, bro.
you. Big love.
Is bro flyer?
I just want to play. I just want to play.
Mr. Green.
Yeah, I
They're
know.
so bugged
Oh, wait,
out.
They
where
are
are you all green?
Where are you?
He's over in the back corner. He's in the corner.
I know it's alpha.
He's right up there. Top man.
That corner? I'm green.
No,
No,
back
no,
on.
you
No,
can't
no,
use
back
green.
on. No walls.
They have to. You're in the right corner.
Green is not on wall. He's close to. He's near me. And I'm chasing the kid.
Dude! Green, you can literally vouch for that. I was in you. You walked through me.
Yeah.
Bro! You walked through him, but you didn't tag him.
I tried!
His brain.
I got a pinch of green. I got a pinch of green.
How did you do Green's right there. Green was right there. Found him.
Greenie. Meanie greenie.
Green, we just want to eat your brain. It's not that deep.
Yeah, they got deep. Well, we just want to eat.
I know,
We
get
just
there.
want to eat your delicious chicken.
Maybe I to do this, and maybe I should start doing like this. Maybe that'll work.
Yeah.
I love this little, like, the two little chickens, like the little chickens facing each other. I like that. Let's get in.
Alright, hold on. How do I take one of these things out?
Let's grab my wire. Let's sit down in the same spot. Like, I've been playing since the alpha started. Like,
Real. Very real.
let's check out store, honestly.
Guys, is this a new movement trick?
You know, just like look at it.
Oh, guys, I found a new movement.
Might be the new meta movement.
So,
This is the new meta movement, chat.
oh no, you guys got to see my wish list. Yeah, I don't really care. What's floor plan? Oh, game starting.
Hey guys, if any of you any of you seen those content creator badges? Like those like badges that people can.
We should be good.
Where is zombie boy? Where's the good old
Yeah, where
zombie
is the
soup can? Alright, Wax,
Okay.
you grab it. Yeah.
I'm done with this. I'm done. I'm done.
You know, from the time I played this, I already know where. I've already remembered where a lot of the spawns are.
Mom,
Dude, I found 2. I found a med kit, but like I already have. Shoot! Dude, there's like 3 right there.
Funky mushrooms. Good luck, buddy. It ain't that deep. 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 It ain't that deep.
Got you there, buddy.
It actually is that deep. Never mind. Stay from daddy. Never mind. It is that deep. Fireball! 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 Fireball!
I found orange. I don't know where orange is anymore. I found white. Why do I have backstep on? Dude.
No, please, I have you added.
Let's go! I got him! Ready or not, here I come!
I see white. He's in the back corner.
Get him, boys!
He's coming around. He's going around the right side.
I see him. Let's go! Good job, bro. I hate this game, bro.
Alright, let's hop into the portal and log in.
Follow me over here. I don't know where you
Alex-
really does.
Where are you? Where are you?
Also, look at the time, 6:44.
I'm in the portal.
Ooh, my thing's got into the orange.
You know what? Open that
20%.
up. Bro, I'm gonna have to open that up immediately. So much. That's gonna be really annoying.
Oh no,
Open that up.
20%.
Gotta do the step back. I gotta do the boost. I gotta do the step back.
Oh, well, I got like no charging time in there.
Okay.
Guys, I found a can of beans, can of corn.
Oh,
actually.
shoot.
Already?
Not
Bro found me.
Flavored beans.
I found him. Hey, I'm the one who came up with the corn flavored beans.
Who's a good boy who has You're such a good boy.
So guys, I may or may not have found the wrench, but I found a zombie to go with it.
I got. He found a zombie to go with it. I don't know where they go. Yeah, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? No, bro.
How the hell did you tag me that quick?
Dude, bro has been tailgating me.
I'm gonna be mad. I just flashed him.
Someone found the wrench.
Guys, I found a gas can.
Dude, how did I not see you? You were right behind me.
I'm so sorry, but I needed to eat your. I'm so sorry, but I needed to eat your delicious chicken body. Cannibalism. It's all about that murder light again. It's all about that Jeffy light.
Now, guys, since we're playing a zombie game, what's your guys' favorite zombie movie? What's your guys' favorite zombie movie? Leave your comments. Leave your answers in the comments section below.
No.
Yo, I'll be on lookout. Oh no! Oh shoot!
I used 2 upgrades. I used 2 power ups.
Guys,
to
I
do
fell
that.
off. Oh guys! Bro, what happened?
Dude, I missed. You lucky duck.
Please, bugging.
Or should I say lucky chicken?
Brother, help me.
Help me, brother.
Why is it you?
Dude, I could have swore I shoved my finger up his bum.
What? That's not very nice. I'm here to help you guys.
I'm trying to eat you. I think Nice left the window a while ago.
Yeah, they're not winning this, bro. They're not winning. Oh,
Bro, my controllers. Oh, I got stuck. Nice.
oh, my controllers are bugging right now.
But the ta-ta-tang.
Are they hitting the jig?
There's 2 people, and they're right there. And we have
Oh,
time
2.
as well.
Oh, what the?
And then there was 1. Guys, what are you doing? Green is right here.
Okay, bro, I literally
I
have
broke
it.
my ankles off.
Step back.
Where is he?
I mean, he's not winning it, though. He's definitely not winning it.
Oh, I thought I had him.
Wow, what are you going to the last time to alive?
He might win because of the time limit, though.
No, we still have a minute and 30. Well, bro, why aren't you? Come on. Bro. We don't have time for this. Well, then you take
Well, that did absolutely nothing. 55%?
You're gonna go this way.
How long? That was 4 minutes. Dang it.
Where is he?
Why is it so quiet, bro?
Yeah, guys, I think this is the last game I'm gonna record for tonight. So, yeah,
36 seconds.
this was a longer video, but yeah, bye.